If you're really curious about which vaccine product is more effective and also how effective are they over time, let's say over 4 months of time, which one is more effective? I think that's the thing that's actually important, because what you care is long term. It's not just like 2-3 months of efficacy. And CDC has done a lot of research recently, so they published a new study just a few days ago, and that's what we are going to look at. So this study was done between March 11th to August 15th. And they look at the overall accuracy, effectiveness of 3 different vaccine products. So this is just the overall. And you can see the Moderna is 93% effective, and Pfizer 5% below that, which is 88%, and Johnson & Johnson, which is a viral vector one-dose vaccine, 71%. What's more interesting, it's what comes next. So it's this one. This one is they do the different intervals of studies. So one is 2 weeks after the vaccination, second dose of vaccination, or 2 weeks after the second dose. And they found out for Moderna, that's 93%. For Pfizer, it's basically not very different, 91%. But what's actually different, what makes these 2 different products very different, is what comes after 120 days, which is roughly 4 months. And you can see the Moderna's efficacy still maintained very high. It basically only drops 1% after 4 months. So if you look at the median days, it's 2 months versus 4.5 months. And after 2.5 months, its efficacy almost remain the same, only 1% drop. On the contrary, Pfizer 91 originally, and after 2.5 months on average, it drops a lot. It drops a lot. Drops from 91% to 77%, which is 14% absolute reduction. That's quite big. If you do the math, it's roughly 1%, 7% per month in this period. We cannot infer that. We cannot just do it linearly, say, oh, you will drop to even lower after 10 months. No, it's not like that. But what we know is after around the median days, 2.5 months, Pfizer vaccine's effectiveness drops quite a lot compared to Moderna. And Moderna is very durable. Its immunity is very durable. I think that's very great news for us. And also what they did during this period is basically a transition between Alpha to Delta. So I think that's something very, very worth like looking into, because if you look at it, this like almost 4 months after the second dose, a lot of patients during this period, they are infected by Delta variant. So yeah, that's the comparison between 3 different products, and especially for Moderna and Pfizer. If you would like to receive more COVID-related content like this, don't forget to subscribe. I'm planning to release more videos about COVID like this. Other than that, take care, and I will see you next time.